Do you need to replace the power button on your Inspiron 13 5310? Well, I'm going to show you how. Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. Okay, real quick, ESD or electrostatic discharge is the buildup of static electricity on a person's body. To prevent this, you can use an ESD wrist strap as well as an ESD mat. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to pry apart and separate the bottom base cover. Then disconnect the battery cable. If your laptop has integrated graphics, just unscrew and remove the heatsink. And if your laptop has discrete graphics, there are 3 additional screws, but the process is the same. And then disconnect the left cooling fan cable. Now unscrew and remove the left cooling fan. Next, unscrew and lift the left LCD hinge. Next, peel away the adhesive that covers the input-output board cable. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the input-output board cable. Then unscrew and remove the input-output board. Now unclip the locking tab and disconnect the power button cable. Then remove the power button. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. Before replacing your heatsink, it's important to wipe away any old thermal paste from your CPU and heatsink. Note, for maximum cooling of the processor, do not touch the heat transfer areas on the heatsink and CPU. The oils on your skin can reduce the heat transfer capability of the thermal paste. Then apply a small amount of thermal paste to the CPU before replacing your heatsink. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.